How to add friends in Zynga Poker application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to add a friends on your Zynga Poker, so here's what you need to do. So first thing first, just open up your Zynga Poker, and once you're inside here, make sure you're currently logged into your account. And likewise, you just have to select this option that is friend icon over here, right next to the gift section. So simply tap on that. Well, once you tap on that, you will be redirected to this screen where you will be seeing all of your active buddies, that is your friends or online friends or all friends of your different all categories at the same place. So you can also actually sort in for that particular friend if you have. And now to add a particular friend, if you know their username, you can actually go to this request, that is if they have sent you a request, you will be seeing all of the requests inside this request option. But if you don't know their name, you can actually click on this refer option. And if you are unsure about whether they have account on this platform or not, you can just tap on this referral option over here. Just send them your referral code from over here by simply tapping on this share code, and you will be getting actually 100,000 free chips when you refer a friend to play Zynga Poker. And you can also actually redeem your code from over here as well. So once they create an account on Zynga Poker using your code, that is your referral link, you'll be getting such bonus free rate chips. So just like that, they will be added as your friend onto your Zynga Poker. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.